Let's see how to use pointers in C program. So let's write the comment statement, pointers in C program. Okay, so first let's include standard input output header file, because we'll be using scanf and printf statement. So scanf and printf statements are defined in this header file, standard input output header file. Then open the void main function. Here only we'll write the program statements. So write a C program to read a value and store its address in a pointer and print the value of it using pointer. Okay, so now let's declare variable a. Okay, so now okay, so now we are going to read the value of a from the user. Printf enter a. Okay, then we have to create a pointer. So we are going to store the address of integer variable in this pointer. So you have to create it as integer. If you are going to store the floating point variable address in a pointer, you are going to declare it as floating point pointer. Okay, so if similarly character variable address, if you are going to store, then you have to create it as character pointer. Okay, so here as we are going to store the address of integer variable, we are going to we have declared here it as a integer pointer. Okay, so p equal to, so here scanf, as we are going to read integer data, %d comma ampersand a value you read. Okay, and put it in that variable. Okay, so now the address of a, I'm going to store it in the pointer p. So ampersand symbol, if you use, the address so will be captured. So and will be used to access the address of the variable. Okay, so address of a, we are storing it in the pointer p. Okay, only p you have to use. So now I want to print what's the data we have stored. Okay, value in a. Okay, so we are going to print it through pointer p. So how can we access it? We'll see. %d. So if you want to access the content what is pointed by the address which is stored in p, you have to give star p. It will refer to the value. Okay, so now let's execute and check. So a value it's asking, I'm giving it as 123. Okay, so now the printf statement is given here. Value in a is 123. Okay, so through the pointer p I have printed. So whenever you are printing or accessing the data which is stored in the address which is stored in this p. Okay, so in p the address of a is stored. Okay, so in that address what is the data stored? If you want to access, star followed by the pointer name you have to give. So star operator to access the data. Okay, so in this way you can use pointer for any different type of data. Okay.